situation that the industry here in the Philippines is very not so good. Mahirap ang ganun. Na pag hindi mo expect na magbabayad agad. And then hindi mo babayad ng buo. And then the worst thing is they not pay at all. Another opportunity came. Brother Randy Borromeo called me to become part of his team. Actually, initially, I don't say yes to him. But it was only the third time that he called me to join his team. So, what is your team? I'm asking. I already know Randy Borromeo before. And only that time, that is around 2008, 2009. He called me up because Brother Bo wants to produce a children's television program. So, and then he called me up for the second time, and then he called me for the third time. And then actually, only up until third time that I said yes. And then I accepted his offer. And then, so what's the deal? Okay, this is the deal. You only have to make to create and produce program just for kids, which is where that was the time that Master TV was born. And he gave me a very good opportunity and not so stressful time. It's a greatest blessing out of the greatest challenges that I have experienced. And then until now, before in video production, TV production, you need to work almost 24 hours a day, 7 days a week because of the nature and then the clients very demanding in revising, in changing, even until the time that the entire presentation was to be changed. So that is equivalent to starting from the start again, starting from the start, and then the first that you before we binigay baliwala. So ganun yung but here now I'm blessed with the great clients and great teammates. Borromeo and the staff of Shepherd's Bush giving us a unique system that I don't need to work for long hours.
Alin? Acoustic? Sa gitna nga. Kapag mo sa gitna lang.
How did God
yan, dyan. Kay Brother Randy.
First of all, actually, prayers alone keeps me confident. Prayers alone keeps me relaxed, calm. Because I remember that there's a Bible passage that it was included the song of Nonoy Sunugi, Nonoy Suniga. Come to me, all of you who were carrying heavy load, and I will bring you my yoke is easy, and my yoke is light. So with God, it gives you confidence, it gives you
Buksan mo.
relax, it makes you relax. Just like God will say, ako naman dyan, pahinga ka muna. And then another thing is God gave me good friends, God gave me good companions, good teammates. Although we cannot avoid the situation that there's a time that you're there's a conflicts, may tatalo kayo minsan, nag-aaway kayo minsan. But the thing is, at the end, kayo pa rin magkakampi. Babalik pa rin yung ano yun na in the base na we're teammates. So, we need to end this nonsense battle or nonsense conflicts. Or even just to solve this conflicts that that lead us from misunderstanding, from misconception whatsoever, or there's a relationship problem within us. So that God is a peacemaker, not only provider.
So the last question, what is your message to the young people?
Yeah. Actually, this is my very very great message that I want to share. For example, especially for those who watching this video or listening to this interview, I want to share especially for those young people, young guys out there, that first, don't forget God. Anywhere you go, don't forget God. There are lots of things that tempting you. There are lots of ideas. There are lots of influences that you might think that it is good for you. Parang tingin nyo may mga bagay na ang tingin nyo maganda, ano siya, nakakatuwa, or parang nakakatulong sa inyo. But you need to remember this first. You should check it first kung that will align doon sa tinuturo ng Diyos. And that will, if that is aligned to what is was teaching of the church. Because marami sinasabi, ito maganda to, dito ka, ganyan. But the thing is, ano siya, it's para siyang deception of Satan, na nilalayo ka konti-konti sa mga sa totoo, sa tamang landas. Nilalayo ka, ganyan. And then up to the point na ikaw na yung magiging biktima. Una, parang feeling, parang ano siya, for example, baka may mag-invite sa inyo na sumali kayo sa ganito, or kaya magpunta tayo sa ganitong lugar, parang happy. Hindi, naman to, kasi naman to, tsaka wala namang masama dito. Be careful of that, mag-ingat kayo dyan sa mga ganyan. And then keep an eye. Sabi niya, be innocent as a dove, but be vigilant as a serpent. Yung sabi sa Bible. So, ingat kayo sa mga ganung bagay, and then you should think first na if that group or that thing is aligned with God and aligned with the teachings of the church. Second is always pray. Kahit mahirap or madali ang sitwasyon, always pray. For example, kahit na wala kang mahal na taxi or jeep because of baha or umuulan ng malakas, just Lord, give us a jeepney. Lord, give us a good taxi. Lord, give us a taxi which is very cheap, or the drivers will stabbing you, or the taxi that has a good driver, mabait na driver, ganyan. Hindi ka lolokohin. Another thing is lastly is, instead of doing doing other things na nakasama sa iyo, or things that nagbibigay sa iyo na parang nagiging masamang vision na siya, please be involved in any religious activities or community activities around you. Marami dyan, just like here. We have the feast of Brother Bo Sanchez. And then, may mga youth may mga youth group tayo dito. Yung Impact, yan. May mga singles, and so on. Be involved sa mga ganong grupo. And then, dito nakakuha tayo ng mga nourishment, as well as teaching and then inspiration from our fellow brothers and sisters. So that's all.
So here's my souvenir for you. Thank you for answering all my questions.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for
And then nice to having with
Thank
during
you.
this interview.
So much.
Thank you.